welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. For today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how I make my chicken broccoli rice casserole. This recipe is such an awesome recipe. Even the people who doesn't like broccoli will probably enjoy this one. It has broccoli, cheese, chicken, rice, everything in between. If you would like to see it, keep on watching, of course. And if you're new here, hey, hit that subscribe button before you leave. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? And let's jump right into it. Okay guys, to begin, we're going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, we're going to add in 1 cup of chopped onion. Next, I am going in with 1 cup of broccoli. I'm using fresh broccoli. You can use the frozen one. Mine, I boiled it for about 5 minutes, then drained the water, then add it in there. All right, now we're going to cook the broccoli and the onion until they start turning a bright green. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I added the minced garlic after because I didn't want it to burn, because if you add it before, it's probably going to be overcooked and burn. You know, it's very small. Now for the chicken, I'm using 1 cup of leftover chicken. I made this chicken last night for dinner and there was 1 left, so I'm like, let me just add it in here. So we're making chicken broccoli rice casserole. Here I am going to add 1 cream of chicken. You can use cream of mushroom if you like. It doesn't really matter. Just add that in there. Also, I'll be adding in some milk. I'm using whole milk, 1 cup in total. And for the chicken, that was a chicken breast, or you can use thigh, or any roasted chicken will do. Here I'm adding my rice. Okay, just add that in. I'm using about 2 cups of cooked rice. Just add everything in. Now we're going to add in the milk. You can add everything in all at once. I just wanted to make sure it's not too wet. All right. Here I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning and 1 teaspoon of the Mrs. Dash seasoning. Also, you can add salt and pepper to your taste. Okay. Here I have 4 ounces of sour cream and also 2 of the Laughing Cow cheese in there. And here I'm adding some ranch dressing, the dry ranch dressing. Oh, so much flavor in this rice casserole. It's gonna blow your mind. Just give that a try. Then we're going to give it a mix just like that. I wanted it to be nice and creamy, so that's why I went ahead and add the Laughing Cow cheese. I believe it's the Swiss cheese one. Now you can add mayonnaise if you like. I just didn't add it to this dish because I wanted to add the Laughing Cow cheese in there. Now you can also add some cheese in there if you like, but I like the cheese to be on top, to be nice and ooey gooey. So yeah, we're going to give it a stir just like that. Now it's time for me to transfer the rice. And here I am going to butter up my baking dish really quickly. Then we're going to add the rice in there. Now I am going to bake my rice for exactly 20 minutes, guys. on 350, okay? 20 minutes on 350. And also I will be adding cheese on top of it. That's where I go wild. I add as much cheese as possible because I wanted to achieve that super cheesy top. So we're going to add almost, if not the entire bag, okay? I feel like white cheddar will look so good on this recipe. It wouldn't change the flavor, but it is what it is. Now once it is done, this is what you have: a super cheesy, creamy chicken broccoli rice casserole. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. I have plenty other recipes very similar to this one I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Click on the screen to watch next, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.